Hi, this is Monster Restore 91, and today we're gonna put a new blade. I just bought this tool, the Ryobi tool, the circular saw. So it's brand new. I bought it off on eBay in the auction, and this cost, like in the store, it will cost you like $400 for everything, for the charger and battery. I got this one for $80. And I was worried that it was gonna be missing a couple things, it was gonna be scratched, but I believe this is an open box, never used. And it came with the blade and the charger and the battery. So it was a pretty good deal, because most people were wasting Home Depot $400 for a circular saw for everything, for the whole charger and the circular saw and the battery. But I got a pretty good deal. It's $80. So what I'm gonna do now, like, I'm gonna remove this. There's a Allen key, I think it's a 3/16, so if you lose it, you're gonna have to replace it. So what you do is you press this button right here, this one. You go clockwise in order to, so you press right here, you go clockwise. See, you could hear that little click. So you go like right here. Make sure you don't lose the washer and the little bolt. It looks like an oval shape type. You put it back in. So now you push this thing back, the blade protector, the blade shield. There you go. And then you release carefully. So now make sure this is facing outside, not inside. Like I said, it has like an oval shape, so it will go one way. So if you put it wrong, it's not gonna go in. So you have to put it like that, it goes in. And then you put the bolt. Make sure it goes all the way in. Finger tighten it first. Oh, whoa. Finger tighten it first, go counterclockwise. I forgot this is not clockwise, this is counterclockwise to tighten it. It even says it right here. The arrow, it will point counterclockwise to tighten. So now you're gonna press again right here, the button right here, and you're gonna feel like a little lock. And then tighten it. So you go as much as you can, don't force it. There you go. Make sure you don't cut your fingers off. So always make sure it doesn't have the battery. When working on electrical or any power tool, remove the battery. Don't put it on safe, just remove the battery just to be on the safe side. And make sure you press it again, the button, just to make sure it's tightened. See, you feel like it clicked in, so it means that it's locked in place, that the blade is not moving. So this is how you make sure you feel like a little click. So yeah, it's already locked in. And don't forget to put in the Allen wrench. I believe it's a 3/16. Put it back in place right here. There you go. So now can go nowhere. And this one you're gonna use is just you Go like that, and then it just goes like that. So watch your fingers, you don't want to cut yourself. So this is how you do it. So I believe it has a safety, but still remove the battery when you're gonna change the blade or work around it, so you won't get cut. So this is a Ryobi circular saw. So it's a pretty good saw. It's a 5.5 inch, 18 teeth. So I ended up buying a big, I believe this one comes with a 4AH. I bought two big batteries, which I will show you right now. They last a lot longer than the regular size ones, so I'll show you right now. For $45, I believe, or $42 on eBay, and they last a good amount of time because it's bigger. It's twice as big as a 4AH. I believe it's an 8AH. So I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so this is the one that it came with. The 1.5 AH. They're all 18 volts. This is the other big one that I bought, but this one came with it. So this one is not gonna last that long. This one's gonna last a little bit, but I bought this like, it's kind of like aftermarket. It doesn't say Ryobi, like on these brands. But these are the ones that last more longer. And it also shows you the percentage of the battery. Just press right here. See, it's full. And also these ones, they do have the same thing. See, this one needs a little charging. And this one definitely needs charging. But like I was saying, that these are like $42 on eBay and they last more longer. This is the 18 volt also. And it's 8.0 AH, so it's a lot bigger than this one. So it's twice as big, this one, than all these. So I always buy this one. This one comes with two. It's a packet of two. It's $42 only. Because I know you could buy these on Home Depot for $100. If you want to save your money, just buy these on eBay for $42. They last more longer. Go work on it, because I know this circular saw will go fast. Your battery will go fast. It will drain because it will use a lot of power, but with this one it should last a little bit more longer. Or even a drill will last you even more longer, this one, than all these. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.